Good morning, Prof. Candy. Here we are. Chapter 8. Took a look at all of products, all 10 entries. Took a look at the products table in some detail. It's still there. Here's number 1. Besides the original list price, here we have the list price as 1 decimal established by a format statement. Here we have it as a convert statement, and here we have it as the cast statement. For whatever reason, SQL liked having the format statement up by the select. At least it became cranky with me when I tried to do it. I'm going to go ahead and fiddle with the indents and see if I can get, if it runs like this or if it converts an error this way. No, it works fine that way. Well, that would probably be the better way to write the code then. It's far more legible without the format statement up by the select one. I wonder what was causing the syntax error. It doesn't really matter, though. Save. So we'll definitely send that version into the inbox in the pretty format. And then we go over to number 2, which took a little while, I will admit. The as character 7 for year dash month. I'm jumping ahead of myself though. Cast as date only down here. Cast as character 7 digits is here. And cast date added as time is here. All of that seems quite appropriate and good. I have a question. However, I am unable to discern why this doesn't work. It seems to follow the exact format, this as year only on line 5. It seems to follow the exact format as the line directly above it. Cast date added as time only. And yet, clearly, year is coming up as a typo, a syntax error. And then I thought, well, I never told it the number of years. Or, I'm sorry, the number of digits. But that doesn't fix the problem. 4 is a default. But you can put 4 in, and that doesn't fix the problem. I guess the answer is simple enough, though, that the cast type does not tolerate year. And that's a figure 8-9 towards the top, which is kind of strange. Which would mean if I wanted year only, I would have to say CHAR, delete, 4 digits as year only. And that would be how I would have solved that problem. Anyway, I guess I've just answered my own question. Yeah, it's interesting that the creators of SQL decided to not allow us to use year like we use date and time in these expressions. But it really doesn't matter, as I have completed my assignment. I'm going to save that again and turn it in exactly as. Oh, wait, that's not happy. Now there's a comma there that it won't tolerate. We'll run it one more time to make sure there's happiness. Yes, there's happiness. Very good. Thank you very much. This transmission ends now.